The Vionaro drawer sides offer a clean, classic, contemporary look. Using the base platform of the proven Dynapro concealed slide system, these two elements create perfection. Vionaro can be stated as a minimalistic design with its half-inch sidewall thickness. Front panel options are offered for rollout drawers of 90mm and 185mm high. In using the Dynapro platform, the manufacturing process remains simple and convenient while delivering the contemporary designs your customers are seeking. Vionaro offers 4 heights: 89mm, 121mm, 185mm, and 250mm heights. 3 colors of white, graphite, and silver gray are available, and 3 lengths of 15-inch, 18-inch, and 21-inch that fit perfectly on the Dynapro platform. The Tavanea Optima organizational system and divider railing kits allow for creating interior drawer configurations. Vionaro is compatible with Tipmatic soft close or Sensomatic touch to open systems, giving you the option for handle-free drawer fronts. Vionaro offers height adjustment, tilt adjustment, and side-to-side adjustment to ensure the perfect alignment every time. Whether you're designing for the kitchen, bathroom, entertainment, or office environment, Vionaro paired with Dynapro gives you proven technology with a contemporary design of the highest quality, giving truth to the statement, less is more.